Hey art friends, welcome to today's how-to. Today we'll be learning how to draw a hungry turtle, a fan-made smiling critter from Poppy Playtime. So first let's get started on the right hand side, and we're going to draw in a curved line from left to right for the bottom of the eye. Let's connect this together on the top on a diagonal by arching this line up and then bringing that back down on the right hand side. In the center now we're going to draw in a small oval. Let's draw in the nose and the mouth now. So stepping across towards the left, we're going to curve this line around and then up. To the left of this, let's curve this line over and out for the top of the mouth. We'll come down on a diagonal underneath the right eye. We're going to draw in a curved line from top to bottom. And now from the corner here, we're just going to curve this line around, connecting that together. Underneath, let's close this off now with a nice big arch line, curving that around and then up. For the tongue, further over towards the right, we're going to curve this line over and out. And then stepping over towards the side, we'll replicate that. Let's draw on the left eye now. So coming underneath, up on a diagonal, we're going to curve this line around and then up. And then like we did on the right hand side, we're just going to arch this line all the way up towards the top and then back down and in, connecting that on this line. Now let's draw in another oval further over towards the right hand side. And now in the center of the nose, we're just going to draw two curved lines that arch out on either side. For the eyebrows now, coming up, we're going to arch this line up and then down. And then moving over towards the left, we'll replicate that. Let's draw in the cheeks now. So on the left-hand side, we're going to curve this line around, down, and then in towards the middle. Starting over on the right-hand side, we'll replicate that, curving that out, bringing that all the way down, and then blending that back in the center. Let's frame in the top of the head now. So moving up in the middle, we're going to start by curving this line up, and then down on the left-hand side. And then from that point again, we're just going to arch this line up, bringing that all the way around and then in. Let's move down, and on the left-hand side, we're just going to draw on the hot dog necklace. So coming further down, we're going to curve this line up, back down. We'll close this off on the bottom now with a curved line from left to right. For the sausage in the middle now, we're going to arch this line out, across, and then back in. And then for the last side of the bun, we're going to curve this line up, down as we get into the middle, arching that back up and then in. Now from here, let's draw in the rest of the body. So on the right hand side, we're going to draw on the right arm. So we're going to curve this line in, out, and then down. On the inside, we're going to curve this line around and then up. Above this, for the finger, we're going to curve this line out and then in. In towards the middle, let's arch this line out and in. And then one more time, we're just going to curve this line out, arching that all the way around and then back up. Beside this now, we're just going to curve this line around and then in. Let's close off the torso now for the shell. So moving on towards the inside, we're going to draw in a small curved line that arches down. And then for the pendant of the necklace, we're just going to draw two diagonal lines on either side that come up towards the chin. Now towards the left of this, we're just going to curve this line all the way around and then in. And then above this line, we're just going to curve this line over and out towards our right arm. In the middle for the shell, we're going to curve this line around and then down. On either side, we're going to draw a diagonal line that comes out towards the side. We'll leave a small gap coming up towards the top, replicating that. As we come in towards the top now, we're going to bring this diagonal line over and out towards the top. And then one last time in the middle there. Behind on the right hand side now, we're going to curve this line up. Starting from that point, let's arch this line around, back out. Starting from that point again, we're going to curve that line up and then down towards our arm. Let's draw on our left hand now. So coming up behind the cheek, we're going to bring this diagonal line up, curving that around and then in. From the corner, we're going to curve this line up and then down. In the middle, we're going to curve this line out and then down for our center finger. And then up above that, we're going to bring that line up and then curving that back around and in towards the thumb. Now from the point here, we're going to curve this line up. And then one more time, we're just going to curve this line all the way around and then down. Let's focus on our right leg first. So coming underneath the arm, we're going to curve this line around and then down towards the bottom of the page. We'll step further in, and from the corner here, we're going to curve this line around and then out. Moving behind in the corner now, we're going to arch this line over and then up. Stepping in the middle, we're going to curve this line out, back up. Then one more time, we're just going to curve that line up towards the corner. Let's move up and draw on our left leg. So we're going to curve this line around and then down. We'll do the same thing on the top, curving this down, ending that so it's on a diagonal. From the corner now, we're going to curve this line out and then in. And then one more time, we're just going to arch that line out and then bringing that up, connecting that in the corner. Lastly, let's draw in the tail. So on the side, we're going to curve this line out, bringing that back in. Coming behind, we're going to curve this line out and then in towards the tail. And that is it. That's how you draw a hungry turtle. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel, and also drop a comment below suggesting any more characters that you'd love to learn to draw next. Thanks so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I will see you all on the next one.